In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate both manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This guide will walk you through a seamless process to help enhance your website creation experience using Wix's powerful tools. Let's begin by heading over to the setup page on Wix. To get started, you'll need to log in using your Wix credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage your site, view analytics, and configure various settings. It's critical to familiarize yourself with this area as it lays the foundation for all your future projects on Wix. Next, it's time to open up the editor. Go ahead and launch editor.wix.com where you can start customizing your website design to reflect your vision. As the page loads, you'll notice a cut and dry design canvas. Here you can dive into the finer details of your website. Now, to navigate through different elements or even different pages, pay attention to the little arrows up and down, which allow you to switch views smoothly. Clicking on these arrows lets you effortlessly toggle between diverse sections and areas of your site. It's a simple way to jump from one part of the design process to another, offering you flexibility without needing to scroll endlessly. Once you've arrived at a section you'd like to change, be it text, images, or any components, it's time to personalize them. To adjust the size of any item, just click and drag its corners. This feature is intuitive, allowing you to resize elements freely to fit your layout desires. While resizing, it's usually helpful to keep an eye out for alignment guides, those handy lines that pop up automatically, suggesting how components align with one another, ensuring a clean, professional look. After you've played around and configured your settings to your satisfaction, the next step is saving your work. On the top right corner, you should see the unmistakably crucial Save button. Give it a click to ensure all your hard-earned adjustments are secure. Saving frequently is a good habit to develop as it protects your work against any unexpected hiccups like computer crashes or internet failures. And there you have it. With these clear steps, navigating the dashboard, exploring the editor, toggling views, resizing elements, and consistently saving, you can manage your Wix website more effectively. The key is to experiment and familiarize yourself with these tools, as the more you explore, the more proficient you become. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building.